The human DNA is a blending of DNA from how many extraterrestrial races?
7. You know one as Anunnaki. You know one as Grey, which we have explained is not exactly extraterrestrial. There are Sirius genes, Pleiadian genes.
Many entities have expressed that there are 12 entities that preside within the DNA of the human race, but there are some that say that there are 7. So many entities have asked me which of these is more appropriate, which one of these is correct. The idea is that both of these are correct. There are 12 DNA races that have lended their DNA to aid humanity to grow in the way that it has. But there are not 12 specific times that this is done. There are truly only 7 entities who connected their DNA to humans. 5 of these 7 entities are complete and utter 50% hybrids up to complete other races. So if you are seeing the combinational DNA of all 5 of these entities, then this is truly 10 different entities' DNAs. And then the 2 races that did not have half of each DNA, then this accounts for the other 2. This makes 7 DNA representations being broken into 12 entities over all DNA. The expressive time of the very first manipulation is what most entities would call the Anunnaki entities. This race, the Anunnaki, is one that is a 50% heritage. It is part of reptilian, but also part of the Pleiadian feminine entities in which they resided from. This continuously goes after they are leaving. Many other races come and place their DNA into an already wonderful race to enhance the race's capability. There are many type 1 and type 2 entities who help lend their DNA. This allows humanity to have such a great resonance with all vibrations that are positive and negative. And this is how mankind is grown into this idea. This is how mankind is able to have such a high variety or a great spectrum of vibrational frequencies. And this is why many entities tend to look down upon Earth with such great interest. The idea is that many races have lent their own energetic as well as physicality to the humankind race. This is what makes you understand that you are not only from this race or this race, that all races have resonance. I wish that you will be able to take these ideas, to place them in your heart, and to find great comfort within them. It is not about where you have come. It is not about what your history is. You are creating your own reality in the now. You are vibrationally whoever you wish to be. It is truly only connected from your vibrational experience that you are having now.
If it is true, dear human being, that you were seeded by an ascended race, that means that they are in your DNA. Everything that they know is in your DNA. You know where I'm going, don't you? That means that you can awaken to great amounts of truth that you never lived through because it's there from what they gave you. It goes beyond your Akash into a spiritual quantum Akash that belongs to those who seeded you. And you start to pick up the truth of the universe, of the galaxy, of existence of God, way beyond your years.